Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to set different lock screen and home screen wallpaper. Go to settings, tap on wallpaper and style. So here you can see the option change wallpaper. Next we need to select a wallpaper for the lock screen and the home screen. So here in this device you can see this is the home screen wallpaper and this is the lock screen wallpaper. So both are same, right? So let me show you how to set different lock screen and a home screen wallpaper. So first of all you need to select the image. So here I am going to select this image. Okay, now here you can see the option to set for the lock screen and home screen. If you want to set this image only for the home screen, then you need to select the home screen option and you need to deselect for the lock screen. Then this image will apply only on your home screen. After this, tap on next, tap on done. Changes applied to home screen. If you go to home screen, you can see the home screen wallpaper is changed. If you go to the lock screen, you can see the lock screen wallpaper is not changed. Okay, so simply in this way we can set different lock screen and home screen wallpapers. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.